Drive Medical's folding shower chair is designed to aid you in the bath or shower. Let's learn more. By offering extra support and stability, you can remain independent and safe while bathing, making bathing easy. Drive Medical's products are made durably and to last. This shower chair can fit your unique needs, featuring a comfortable contoured, height-adjustable legs and supportive handles. Featuring non-slip technology, the drainage holes allow water to pass through the chair to avoid pooling, while the textured seat helps prevent sliding on the chair. Additionally, the non-slip rubber tips help prevent the chair from sliding on the wet floor. This product is made for a dual fit, so you can use your shower chair in both the shower and the bath. Drive Medical's folding shower chair can help provide you stability, security, and safety while bathing. Regain your independence and purchase today.